Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can display the stock quantity on a Shopify product page. So as you already know, for the last few videos, I've been very happy with the Shopify updates because a lot of things that were impossible, almost impossible for non-coders to do, they are possible within the theme customization, and most of the stuff is handled by the sidekick, and the things have become easy, but still there are some things that need explanation, and this video specifically for it. So I'm using the latest version of Dawn theme. This is today's 20th December 2025. So when you will watch this video, you already will have such update. So displaying the stock quantity in Dawn theme has become extremely easy. You just have to enable it through theme customization. But in Horizon theme, still there are some issues. It doesn't display the stock quantity when the variant is in stock. If it is low stock, only it displays the quantity. So I will do some code modifications and show you how you can actually do it like the Dawn theme. So let's start the easy process. And I have already opened the Dawn theme, as you can see, and I will show you how you can easily display the stock quantity, which was almost impossible to display without an app or custom code. So you have to just hover over to product information and click on block, and you will find this option inventory status. Okay, you have to click on this one, and you just have to drag and drop it here. Okay, so as you can see, we have 90 in stock. This variant is 90 in stock. And then if you click on like this one, so it is really responsive, and the JavaScript works really well. 108 in stock. So it refreshes automatically. That's the best thing. We don't have to do anything else. So it is displaying the stock without you doing some extra effort. But now let's check if the low quantity works or not. So we click on inventory status, and we will just set the threshold to like 100. Okay, so let to check whether it is working fine or not. So it is already 108. Let's check this one. As you can see, low stock 90 left, so it is working really fine. For the low stock, it is extremely working fine. So it is displaying the scarcity as well, so that user should be conscious that it is low in stock. Otherwise, it was just for testing. You should do it only for 10. Okay, so this is for the Dawn theme, latest version of Dawn theme. You have to enable the inventory status. You can just drag and drop it, and it will work really fine. You can also change the text style, but it's up to you. It is working really fine, and it works well for variants as well. It refreshes automatically, so there is no JavaScript issue as well. So this is for the Dawn theme. Now let's move towards the Horizon theme, which is a little tricky, and I will show you how I have resolved this problem actually. And I made a code as usual. So this is the Horizon theme, and I will click on add block, and let's check the block. Click on it because don't generate this section. It doesn't work really well. I have applied prompts for this section, and there were some JavaScript issues. So I will show you how you can adjust the code. So you will click on product inventory. Okay. So product inventory, and then you have to drag and drop it just below the variant picker. So as you can see, it is working really fine in stock. All the stuff is working, but as you can see, it is not showing the variant quantity, exact quantity, just showing it is in stock or not. Let's first check if it is working well for the low stock. So let's check it for 100, and it will refresh automatically. Yes, 90 left. As you can see, it is displaying really well. So 90 left, and it is displaying well for the low quantity. So it is, so we don't have to worry about it. Okay, so we'll again enable it for 10. But now if you want to work it same as the DOM theme, if you want to change the text, you can go into the theme setting, and you can change the text from here. But currently we're not concerned with the text. We're only concerned with when it is in stock, it should show the quantity. So what you have to do, you have to click on product inventory, because we have to do exactly like the DOM theme. You have to click on edit code, and already added the code here. I will leave the link in the description. Find this code, open product inventory.liquid, and replace the following code around line 23 to 24. Sorry. So you have to find this code. So we are in the product inventory.liquid, and I will see line 23 to 24, and I've already assigned. So I have to replace these two lines, as you can see. So you have to basically replace these two lines with this. Okay, so basically it shows the quantity if the product is in stock. Assign show quantity is block settings dot show inventory quantity. So only this change, not something. So it is around 23 to 24, 22, 23. But you have to make sure that it works. It could be a little line difference, but you just have to replace these two lines, like assign show quantity, and if show quantity is false, then else you have to replace this else part and replace it with this one. Okay, you just have to click on save, and now this is the only change that you have to do, and it will work really fine. So I think has been saved. As you can see, initializing liquid lsp preloading files. So I think we are done. So let's refresh. So let's click on save, and it will just, I think, refresh itself. So let's see what it does. So as you can see, 90 left. Okay, so this is the thing which is exactly according to the dawn thing that we see. So it is showing the inventory quantity. So if we click on this one, like we want to check if it is displaying the right quantity or not. So 108 left. The JavaScript is working really well, so you don't have to worry about it. So black, let's see. Yes, the stock is working really well. So it is showing the stock, and then if it is in low stock, obviously it displays the scarcity as well. So this is the only change that you have to do. If you want to change this text, I can show you as well, but it is not part of the tutorial. You have to go to online store. So this is how basically it has become so easy to display the stock quantity in Shopify, both themes. So basically this tutorial covers almost every updated Shopify theme. I'm showing you how you can change it as well. So if you are using horizon theme, you have to click on this one, the icon, and you have to add a default theme content, and from there you can change the all the stuff like in stock, and you can add or delete the text very easy. So you can know it yourself if it is necessary for you. Otherwise, it is totally optional. This is working really well without any issue. 21, 22 left, and when you will have low quantity, you can set the low quantity threshold, and it will display the red circle, and works according to the dog. So that's it for the tutorial. Let me know if you have any issue. I have tried my best to make it super simple. Please